Hello guys, today in this video I am gonna show you how can you change the salary budget and the transfer budget in page 18. So after watching this video, if you guys like this, so please subscribe to my channel because I am continue to bring more videos like that on my channel. So guys, let's start. So for this we need a software which is Cheat Engine. The software link is the description, so you guys can download it from there. So let's open the page 18 first. So it is our page 18 click page. So you have to go to the team management negotiations, and here you can see the transfer budget is 6980 something and salary budget is 25015 something. So we have to go to the advanced search. What we have to do, we need 2 to 3 players in our negotiations list. We need just one player, but we have to do negotiation with 2 to 3 players because we don't know who is gonna accept our terms. So suppose I am gonna choose some midfielder. So I choose some midfielder from here and then search. There you can see there is too many players: Alexis Sanchez, Mesut Ozil, Ramsey, etc. I'm going here to negotiation with 3 players: Ramsey, Alexis Sanchez and Mesut Ozil. Okay, and then we have to wait for their response. So you have to play some matches, 1 or 2 matches. So you have to go to the forward time. We just skip this match. You skip this match. Something. Look. For Mesut Ozil, then negotiations failed here. For Ramsey, negotiations failed here. But Alexis Sanchez, look. For Alexis Sanchez, there is some negotiations. Mesut Ozil and Ramsey don't respond to our negotiation. So now, what do we have to do? For Alexis Sanchez only. Look here, the annual salary is 1002 something. Okay. Now we have to open our cheat engine. Open, and you have to click this button. When you click here, you see many apps here. We select page 18, and here our salary budget is 10020800. So you have to put it here without the last 2 zeros. Only 8. Okay, you have to avoid the last 2 0. Okay, and the first scan. So here bring some values. You have to just select all of them. Just select one and press shift and select the last one. That's all of us select, and then click the red button and select again and go to the change record and then value. In the value you have to put here minus a negative sign, of course a negative sign, don't miss this, and a value then whatever you want, and then of course select these 3. Okay, now we minimize it and we have to go back to the first page. Okay, let's enter again. Now you see the magic. Alexis Sanchez annual salary has become minus 99 or something. We have to just accept this and see our salary budget has increased. Now see our salary budget. It's a huge amount of budget. Now we are gonna change the transfer budget. It's quite easy. So again we have to go to the cheat engine, and now click new scan, and we have to put the transfer budget here, 22164, and again you should avoid the last two zeros. Okay, here we got some values. Just click and change record. You just change the value as you want. Suppose I am giving here 9999 or something. You can put here anything you want, and then just tick it and minimize it, and again go back to the previous page, and you can see here our transfer budget has increased. You see, transfer budget and salary budget, both of them has increased, and there is too many values. So that's it for today's guys. If you guys like this, so please subscribe to my channel, please. Okay guys, thank you.